employee table, no, sir.
Oh,
So
no, joint department kuda antunnam kada. I am asking to select from 2 tables, right?
okay. But whatever the columns we are giving, that is not from employee table in the first column, select.
Employee name, comma phone, comma department name, comma department ID. If you write like this, we can say I told very clearly. Kadma, employee name is from which table? I am selecting data from 1 table or 2 tables?
2 tables.
2 tables, sir.
But when we join 2 tables, the employee name is in which table?
Employee
table.
table.
Okay, no confusion. Phone is there from which table?
Employee table.
Employee table. No phone also problem because phone is there in. Phone is here also confusion. Yeah, here also confusion. Yeah, sorry, ma'am, because department also has phone, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, confusion. Okay, wait. Next, department name is from department table, no confusion. But department ID also confusion because department ID is there in both the tables, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Upon compulsory, we have to tell department ID, you have to select from which table.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if the column is there in only in 1 table, there is no confusion. When the same column is there in both the tables, now it gets confusion, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from which table it has to select. Then compulsory, you have to tell, oh, this phone also problem. Phone, I have to select employee phone number, right? This one. Department ID, you can take from anywhere because, both have same IDs, right? Either you take E dot department ID or D dot department ID, that's okay. But you have to tell table name compulsory. Here also phone, you have to tell E dot phone compulsory.
Got it, sir.
Got it, sir.
Yeah. So why even if I am selling employee department, why I have told D dot department ID? Because it is there in both the tables. So it gets confusion, right? From which table it has to select. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are all different way, right? How you write, like select some like this. But what is that we finally concluded here? We can use alias names for table names. Okay,
Yes,
if
sir.
column names, we can mention explicitly table name dot column name for better understanding. Okay, for better understanding, you can say table name dot column name. Okay, always, even though the better suggestion is, even though employee name is there only in employee table, its better suggestion is you put E dot employee name, E dot phone number, D dot department name. So better you mention like this. Make a habit of doing like this. This is the better way of writing SQL query. The reason is, sir, this query is a very simple query. This is a simple query we can easily understand. When you take a complex SQL query, right, where you are joining, let's say 4 or 5 tables, there are many columns, then, right, when you write SQL query, right, when somebody see the query, they may not understand, oh, this column is coming from which table? Because you are joining almost all some 7 to 8 tables if you are joining. Oh, this column is in which table? Okay, better you mention always table name dot column name, table name dot column name. Oh, so that by seeing this select statement itself, anybody can easily understand, oh, this column is coming from employee table. Oh, this is coming from employee table. This is coming from department table. This is from department table. Okay, ma? So the best practice is always in select statement also you mention, even though it is there unique, even though it is unique only from 1 table, but always better suggestion that you mention table name dot column.
Sir,
Okay.
this alias.
Sir,
this alias name we will be used for join operation only.
Yeah, when you are, obviously when you use joins, you use alias names. If it is only from single table, there is no point.
No need to.
No need to use alias names, right?
Sure.
There must still any more questions in this?
no, sir.
Okay, now let us take some table here. If I take, for example, products. Products. Order. The details. 1 second. No? Order details. Okay, let me take this. Okay, products table has one second. Now, this is a product table has these things. Order details table has this is order detail table has, right? And whereas orders table has this is order table has. Whereas customer table has these things. Yeah, see this one, ma. So what is this table? This table is
Product table.
products. This is
Order details.
order details. This is
Order. Order ID.
orders. This is
Customers.
okay. Now I want to know I want to get customer name. I want to get customer name, city. Yes, I want to get customer name, city. And what are the product names he has purchased? Product name and quantity. This customer has purchased which product name and how much quantity he has purchased. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I want to know the customer has purchased which product name and how much quantity he has purchased. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, I
Yes,
can
sir.
repeat the question once again because first you understand the question. What is that I want to display? Customers,
Customer name.
customer name, city, and this customer have purchased some products, right?
Product name.
Product name and how much
Product
quantity he has purchased.
Quantity.
He has
Yes.
purchased. So if you see these 4 tables, how they are related? Is customer table and orders table is related?
Yes. No,
Oh.
no, sir.
Is
No,
customer
sir.
table and products is related?
No.
No,
No,
sir.
Customer table,
And orders. table.
Product name and order ID.
order ID and
Product name.
Wait. So if you observe, directly table is not related.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Directly table is not related. See how they are related if you observe the relation between them. Say customer ID is related to the customer ID in orders table, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here it is related. These two are related here, right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
And order ID here and order ID here is related, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these two are related.
And product ID in
And
both.
product ID here and product ID here, it is related.
Yes.
So how the connectivity between them? So first we have to link like this, and from here to here we have to connect, and from here to here we have to connect. Remember, there is a connectivity, right? From here to here, like this, then
Yes,
like
sir.
this, then like this. See, you see, right? There is a connectivity like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But directly, these tables are not related, right? They are related through some other table, right? Like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me, if I want to select the data, first let us we write SQL query here itself in a notepad, then I can paste it there, because you need this structure, right, for to understand. Tell me what are all things I have to select. What did I said? First you write all the columns what you want. No?
Customer name,
Select
Customer name, product name,
comma
city,
city comma
product,
okay
product name,
name comma product name comma quantity, right?
city,
City
city,
from customers C, right?
C.
On
product table,
sorry join orders O
oh,
on C dot
customer ID,
ID equal to
O
O
dot
order,
order,
customer ID,
dot then again you have to join with what table?
order details,
Order details OD, right?
On.
On what is that? O
OD,
dot
Orders.
order
O dot
ID,
order ID equal
Order
to
ID is equal to O
OD
dot
dot,
T dot
OD dot
T dot
order
order
ID,
ID.
order ID.
join,
Join
Join
product,
products P
On.
on
on
OD dot,
OD dot
product dot
Product
ID equal to
ID equal to P
P
dot.
dot product ID.
name.
I think please observe. Ma. Yeah, you can see ma. What did I write here? See this one. Ma. Select whatever columns I wanted, right? Select customer name, product name, quantity, city, fine. From customers, C is the alias name. Join orders O on C dot customer ID equal to O dot. C dot customer ID equal to O dot customer ID. Then again I am joining with order details, right? OD. On what condition? Orders dot O dot order ID equal to OD dot order ID, right? Next, join with products. Where this order details, right? Order detail dot product ID equal to products dot product ID. That's fine.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So like this, you can keep on joining n number of tables if you want.
Sir, please
Then
repeat.
join another table on condition. Join another table on condition. Like this, you can write n number of tables.
Sir, please repeat once.
You see this image, how they are connected, the connectivity I did, right?
Yes, sir.
What is this first table, the bottom one, customer table?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, what did I ask you to write? First, you write all the columns you wanted. What columns I wanted in this query? The red color
Customer
one,
name, customer name, product name, and
product
quantity and city.
quantity, city. Yes, first you write all the columns. That
Yes, sir.
columns may be from one table or two tables or three tables or whatever it is. First, you write all the columns what you wanted.
Yes, sir.
In second. Just a second, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Give me a minute.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Give me a
sir.
minute. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Carry on, sir. Yeah, in the meantime, just you observe this one. Just observe. Anyhow, I will explain. Just observe. Or somebody can explain. Just a second.
Please, someone explain. I have missed last class also. I couldn't able to understand. Amit, can you able to explain?
No, I was asking for the same.
Okay, okay, fine.
I will try to explain, but if
Yeah,
it is
no
not
problem, no
clear,
problem. Actually, Prashanti, do we use, because sir is practicing in Notepad, right? Like, which tool we have to use for this? Is any
Yes.
idea?
yeah,
for
he is
practice?
using a
Every
W3.
day school.
Sam.
In first
Like we
class,
can use
Double.
W3 schools website.
Yeah, I will give that link.
no, not asking. So W3 school site is for. So we are using Eclipse IDE for practicing Java and Selenium, right?
Okay.
That's
Yeah,
why
So
I
you
am
can,
asking.
Anusha,
select
so
the
you can do
language.
one thing. You can download Oracle, I mean SQL Test from Oracle site, and then you can practice.
In first
No,
class,
there is
sir,
Anusha. There is one site sir has provided. Just try this one.
No,
okay.
she's asking like some IDE or something
Yes,
to
ma'am.
How to
practice SQL.
practice.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Yes,
please,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This SQL query, ma'am. Yeah. So first, what do? First, you write all the columns what you wanted, Amit. From one table or two tables or three tables or first you write all the columns. This syntax will never change, right? Select column names from table name, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, if you observe, yeah, these are the columns I have to select. But if you see how the columns are connected here, customers table, customer ID, and orders table, customer ID are same, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In
Then
last
orders
two
table,
customer
order
ID is
ID,
common. Yes, sir.
and order details, order ID is common.
Yes, sir.
Then order details of product ID and products table of product ID is common.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's how we are connecting here. So select all the data from customers, right? From customers. C is the alias name I gave.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to join with what table? Join with,
Orders. Oh,
okay, on what condition? Till here you tell me, till here is it understood?
yes, sir. Customer ID is equal to in both table. Customer ID is
Customer
common,
ID is
sir.
common.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Then again you have to join with what table? Join order details, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, join which table you are joining now? Order details.
Yes, sir.
On what condition? Order table, right? Oh, what is order table? Order table, orders, right? Order table.
Yes, sir.
Order table, order ID equal to order details dot order ID, right?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
here orders table order ID is equal to order details to order ID, right?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Amit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah, then again we are joining with
Yes, sir.
product
Yes, sir.
on what condition? Order details, right? Order details
Yes.
dot product ID equal to products dot product ID, right?
Yes, sir.
So like this, we have written join like this. So like this, you can join any number of tables if you want. So when you write a syntax, you can write, you can join any number of tables like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me write that syntax also. You can join any number of tables like this. You would select column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, whatever columns you wanted, you write down from table 1. Okay, join table 2 on table 1 dot column equal to table 2 dot
column.
join, let's say table 3 on, let's say table 2 dot column equal to table 3 dot column. Join table 4 on, see, when you are joining here, see, table 3 dot column is fine. Here you can compare, it is not always table 1, either table 1 or 2. I don't know which is common in for table 3. For table 3, common column is there in table 1 or table 2. Na? It's up to you.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So table 3 is you are joining with table 3. But already how many tables we have used here?
4 tables. 2 tables.
2 tables.
Also.
Not 4, but 2 ne kada.
Yes, sir.
Table 3
tables.
we are joining, but
Table
already
three, sir,
before already how many tables we have? 2 tables, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now table 3 may have a relation in table 1 or table 2, right? Anywhere it may have.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anyone is common in between that.
Anyone is common. So that we have to identify, right? That we have to identify and map. So here,
Yes, sir.
either from table 1 or table 2 column equal to table 3 column, right?
Yes, sir.
You join with the table 4. Okay. So table 4 is new. On now you can say then there may be a table 1 or 2 or 3 dot column equal to table 4
Table
dot
4
column.
dot column.
Like that. Table 5. Okay. Now already we have table 1.
Yes, sir.
or
1, 2,
2,
3, 4.
or 3 and 4.
Yes, sir.
Is having common that we have to
to
identify
table 5 dot
Five
column.
dot column. Yes, sir.
like that. You can join n number of tables like this.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Only thing is
Thank you.
that already used tables here, which is common for the next table, you have to identify and map with this. Like this.
Yes, sir.
So other concept what I did here. So what is common in these tables? Like already we identified, right? Here what is common that we are comparing like this.
Yes, sir.
So if I write that SQL query here and run. See what did we got? Customer name. And this is the product name he purchased. Right?
Yes,
And this
sir.
is the quantity he has purchased, right?
And
Why
table
same
C2.
customer name repeated many times? Maybe because same customer have purchased different products, right? This customer purchased this product with 12 quantity. This customer has purchased a different product, right? With 10 quantity. Product name is different, right? For same customer, product names are
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This customer purchased this different products with a different quantity, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like that you can write SQL query. You got right. Each customer purchased how many products like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like this you can write join statement. But in this also, if you want to use a group by, maybe what we learned last classes, group by, then having, order by, again where condition. No, sir. I want to select only customer name who is a Willman Kala, Willman Kala, or let us take some other customer like say Henry, okay, Hanari Keynes. I need only these 2 customers I want to select. Then again, you have to use where condition Garma to filter only these 2 values.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not all customers. I want only 2 customers. Then how do you filter them?
Where condition.
Where use
Here itself, right? On customers dot ID equal to customers ID, all these columns here, and what you can use?
Where, sir?
No, not where. Already on itself is like a where, right? I told here.
Yes, sir.
What I told somewhere I told. What is that? On is like a On is like a where condition, right? Comparing.
Okay.
Them on is like a where condition only, right?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
On itself is a where here. And what I can write here?
Customer name equals
In two customers, right?
okay.
Filman Kala, comma. What is another customer name I told?
Hanali. Hanali.
Hari Karnas.
Okay. Now you see, we got only these two customers. Emma, William
Yes, sir.
Kala.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These two customers we got. See.
Yes, sir.
Only these two customers. So like this you can use. No, sir. Just I want to know only, maybe, sir, I don't want to display. Okay, let me put it somewhere else so that this is one thing. This is another thing. Now in this, no, sir, I don't want to display all the product names. I want to know only this customer has purchased how many quantity of product. How many products, ma? How many? Remember, this customer have purchased how many products?
Product name.
How many products? This product. Bro, for example, you go to the supermarket and get so many different items. I'm asking how many products you purchased. You say that I purchased
Number of items.
Number
Yes,
of 5 different items.
Yes, sir.
Quantity is some, right? Some I will get. This is 12. This is 10.
Number of
I'm asking how many category of products you purchased.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if I say, okay, for example, this customer purchased these two products. Example, only these two products. What is count now? 2, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Count is 2, but total is 12 plus 10, 22, right?
20 plus 10.
Like that, if I want, what you can do now? You can write select customer name, comma, what you can write here? Count of
Product name.
count of product name, comma,
Sum of quantity.
sum of quantity. Yes or not? Sum of quantity. Okay, now city if you want, okay, you can keep, no problem. Then what is that? You have to say from all these things, all these conditions. At the last, you have to write group by, what is that? Group by
Customer name.
comma, city.
City.
Yeah, city also same kadama. For all these, Willman Kala ante city kuda same name kadama. You have to group this also, right?
So this on join